All right, I've got the negative lead on the ground, positive lead pin 30, and I've got 13.27, same as my trickle charger. Now I'm going to switch to pin 86, turn on the key, and we have 12.6. Okay, 12.3. Key off, key on, key off, key on. Kill switch off, kill switch on. And even the kickstand down, kickstand up. Okay. Okay, now I've switched the positive lead to the battery and the negative lead to pin 85. This is the fuel pump relay socket. And interestingly, I have 12 volts. 12 volts with the key off. Turn the key on and it drops to 0.46. I believe this is my problem. Key off, 11. Key on, half a volt. Key off, 11 and a half. That doesn't even match the battery. But when I turn the key on, this should show 12 volts to battery to ground. Ugh.